So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my cordless drill, and I have a metal brush, and I'm going to rough up that area. That's my plan. You can use sandpaper, you can use a metal brush. So I gotta run to my garage and get a metal brush. I'll be right back. What's the matter, bud? Oh, alright, so go into my drill section. Alright, I have this. I don't know if that's rough edge, but I want my wire brush. Anyway, I have it in here. I just find stuff, move stuff, because I cleaned my garage. Cleaned it and made everything hard to find. Alright, wire brush in the drill, and now we will scuff up the floor some. So it's real important to scuff up the floor so that rubber will stick. This will help the glue adhere. This will help the glue adhere to the concrete. Scuffing up the floor. Alright, so in the instructions that came with this kit, which I did have out here with me, it says, where did I put, okay, so it does come with these instruction kits, okay, and it says to help seal a flat, clean the area where the seal will be installed. What's up, T? So, and then it says, yeah, I know you. Lay the seal flat on concrete. So, see, it doesn't say anything really about roughing it up, but I just learned from experience with concrete. If you rough it up, just rough it up a little bit, and it'll make some scuff marks in the concrete. And then we do the sealant. So, here we go. Just rough it up a little more. And then we're going to wipe it down with some acetone, this spot. I know you're looking at my butt, I'm sorry. Alright, so I roughed that up a little bit. So, next, we'll get some acetone, or rubbing, or alcohol, and we will clean up that spot, wipe it down. So that's very important to have a clean surface for it to stick to. So I'm going to get a rag and some denatured alcohol, which is right here. So I got a denatured alcohol, and I've got a rag down here. Let's use, I guess, this rag here. I kind of want to use an old one if I got an old one here. Let's use one of these. So we'll use this one. No, that one's got cleaner stuff on it. We can't use that. Alright, so we have to use one of these. So we'll use this one. So now we're going to wipe the spot down with denatured alcohol. Okay, that'll clean the concrete up, make it so that the stuff will actually stick. So got the denatured alcohol, pouring some on the rag, and then we're just going to wipe off the spot. I don't want to wipe my marks up too much. So make sure we clean it good here. Wipe it down. Okay. You gotta let that dry. It's rubbing alcohol, so it should dry relatively quick. Now, we will wipe down this side too, just for the heck of it. All right. So, next step is to apply the adhesive. So we're going to let that dry for a minute. Okay. So the next step is to apply the adhesive. And then once we apply the adhesive, we alright, let's go easy. So we apply the adhesive, 3 lines on the back of this. So this kit, like I said, they give us everything you need. They give us the gun, they give us the liquid nails. So pretty cheap gun, but it's cool that they supply it. Actually, did not expect them to supply that, but they did. So cool. Kudos to them for doing that. So now we'll cut this tip. All right, got that tip off. Looks like it might be open already. So what we're doing, we're going to do 3 lines. That's what it says to do. 3 lines. Maybe I have to still poke a hole in it. That would help. Thought it was poked open, but apparently it's not. So let's get the screwdriver in there. There it is. Yes, there's liquid now. Okay. So it says 3 lines. So bad when I'm doing this stuff. My son gets bored. Let it rain today. He's playing with his drone now anyway, so he's probably having fun with that. So, we're putting the liquid nails on the back of the threshold seal now. And then what we'll do is we lay it down in the lines that we have there, and we push it down, and then you use the garage door to hold it down. So this kit's cool, comes with everything you need. So I don't know if you can still see me or not, but let me check my camera angle. See what you guys are seeing. I don't want to step on anything. Alright, so you guys are seeing everything. I want to try and keep that threshold sealed clean.
Normal, it's around 20, and then your tripod mode is a super slow for recording. So I like this one a lot. It's very good.
Alright, so almost done with the sealant. Well, the adhesive. This is again liquid nails.
So we're going to fire the drone back up. Blades are spinning.
Like I said, they told you to clean the threshold, which we did. So we might just wipe it down one more time because I stepped in the area. So we'll just give it one more quick wipe in here. Okay, it's wiped again. All right, give the alcohol a minute to dry, and then we lay it down in our lines, and we wipe off any excess. That's how it works. And then then it says if you have any spots around the outside, you can seal the edges, of course, with the liquid nail. So we'll probably do that too. Alright, so here's where it gets messy probably. Let's do this. Let's get it in here. And flip it over. See, it's already flipped over onto there, that part. Wow, it stuff's pretty good, that liquid now. It's already, I can feel it. Ugh. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wipe up the floor. Okay. Get it in its spot. this spot here. So I don't want, that's pretty darn good adhesive. But I don't want all this adhesive out here. So let me get something to get that up. I should have a scraper or something. I need to get that up. That we do not want to leave outside the door. That will make a mess. So let's get this up. So yeah, we're using just a little scraper, little actual knife. Oh yeah. Ugh, see, every time I do something, it never fails. I get stuff all over me. Never fails. I want to get this stuff up though. But I also now want to push this down to the concrete. Good. Oh, I don't want to move it though. We don't want to slide it back. We want it to stay in the spot. Just push down on it. So you want to stay in between your lines, okay? So in between your lines, you don't want it to move out of your lines. So keep it in your lines and push down on it. Right here it was lifting up. So you don't want it lifting up. But again, you want it to stay in your lines. That's some pretty good stuff, that liquid nail stuff, man. Alright, so I'm going to get the alcohol. I'm going to clean that up a little bit more. So, and then we'll just use the liquid nail to seal around the edges like they said. And then we'll pick up the camera and show you what we did. I'm really tired of water getting into my garage. That's why I wanted this threshold seal. Again, I've been looking for something for this also. And then I came across this. Thought it was a cool product.